Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can hide your online status on Instagram so other people can't see when you're active. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open your settings. Scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Now, look for the Who Can See Your Online Status section and tap on Show Activity Status. Here, you'll see a toggle that controls whether other people can see when you're active on Instagram. Simply turn off the Show Activity Status option. Once you disable it, other people will no longer be able to see when you're currently active or when you were recently active on Instagram. Keep in mind that when you turn off your activity status, you may also lose the ability to see other people's activity status. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.